In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore phone contacts from your Google account and prevent the loss of these important details. This is a simple and straightforward process that ensures your precious connections are always backed up and readily accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. On the Google homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials to sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so now by entering your email and password. It's crucial that you log into the account where your contacts were originally synced or backed up. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google account homepage. From here, you'll have access to a wide array of options and settings related to your account. Next, navigate to your Google account page. This space serves as the hub for managing your account settings, data, and privacy preferences. You'll want to find and click on the section labeled Data and Personalization. This area is essential as it houses all your data management tools and privacy settings. Now the focus shifts to the Download Your Data section. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where you can select what data you'd like to download from your account. This is an invaluable resource for preventing data loss, especially when it comes to your contacts. In this list, you'll want to find and select Contacts to ensure you're downloading your phone book. Once you've selected contacts and any other data you'd like to back up, scroll down to the bottom of the page and choose your preferred file format. Typically, you'll want to stick with the default settings to keep things simple. After setting the format, you'll be prompted to choose an archive delivery method. Options include downloading directly to your device or saving to your preferred cloud storage service. The process will take a few moments depending on the number of contacts and additional forms of data you chose to back up. Once complete, you'll receive a notification or an email confirming the download's readiness. Take a moment to ensure that the download completed successfully and that your contacts are now securely stored and accessible. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your phone contacts from your Google account. More importantly, you've taken the necessary measures to prevent the loss of this valuable information in the future. Keeping your contacts up to date and backed up is essential, and with these easy steps you've got peace of mind knowing you're covered. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.